We are in Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and this is an island of forest ecosystem in a sea of humanity in the metropolis of Mumbai. There is concern for conservation of this particular landscape equally from the government side and from the community as such.
We are from SBI. We are in Sanjay Gandhi National Park, and we have been associated with a very unusual and a different type of project.
If we look at the past few decades, how the green cover and the deforestation and everything that has happened. So because of which we are seeing unusual happenings, whether it is unusual heat wave or cyclones in places like Mumbai, which was never heard of in the last so many years. These are the effects.
The entire site was infested with a lot of non-native species which had to be rewilded, or ecological restoration had to be undertaken.
In National Park, we have two types of area. One is the core area, that is the actual notified National Park area, and we have the buffer, so where we have some tourism activities. See, in the tourism area, so earlier we had big number of exotic plants. So that might have planted in order to cover up the degraded landscape in a short span of time. But with time, because they all have over matured, so we have seen in the last cyclone, Taukte, that lot of exotic trees have been uprooted. So that's why we have taken a drive to replant the entire this landscape with the native species. So that too we are focusing more on the native fruit-bearing species.
To sustain these fruit-bearing frugivorous trees, SBI Life has come forward, and we are planting more than 100 species of fruit-bearing frugivorous plants in an area of 1.5 hectares under this Miyawaki concept. That is high-density closed plantation of 1 by 1 meter width, and it is a captive plantation. It is fenced, and we have provisions of watering also.
नेटिव प्लांट्स, जिसे हम देसी प्रजाति के पौधे भी कहते हैं, वो इस तरह के पौधे रहते हैं जो एक एनवायरनमेंट में मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स से इवॉल्व हुए हैं.
We picked up the project close to the city with the whole intention because park has one of the highest footfall, and we wanted the population to know of a project like this, where multiple species, when brought across in a certain area, will contribute very heavily to the society, to the bird, to the complete ecosystem.
संजय गांधी राष्ट्रीय उद्यानात जर आपण बघितलं तर अनेक विद्यार्थी देखील येतात, मोठ्या प्रमाणात विद्यार्थी येतात अभ्यासक्रमाच्या दृष्टीने. इथली बायोडायव्हर्सिटी किंवा इथलं बॉटनिकल फ्लोरा जो आहे तो त्याचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी मोठ्या प्रमाणात लोक येतात. तर त्यांना एक चांगला उपक्रम होईल की या ठिकाणी एकाच ठिकाणी त्यांना विविध प्रजातींची माहिती, त्यांची वाढ कशी होती, त्याच्यावरती कोणती फुलं येतात, कसे अट्रॅक्ट होतात बर्ड्स, हे एक चांगला अभ्यासाचा एक उपक्रम होईल असं मला निश्चित वाटतं.
We all want people to be part of nature. We want them to touch and feel nature and environment, because only then they will really care for nature. They will have a sense of belonging towards the entire cause.